From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening everywhere we turn. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. Our first destination is Santa Fe, New Mexico, for a closer look at the power of satellite imagery. A company called Descartes Labs has created the world's largest collection of publicly available satellite data. Its software platform offers fine detail into just about every inch of the globe and the environmental trends impacting us. Users simply specify the data they'd like to examine, and from there, they can easily zoom in to areas of interest. For example, users can view buildups of carbon emissions over certain areas and couple them with weather patterns. This helps them better forecast smog alerts and coordinate public health responses. Emergency agencies are also using the platform to predict the path of hurricanes so that endangered areas can flee to safety. It's a great example of why knowledge is power. Our second stop is Switzerland to check out some robots that refuse to quit moving. That looks like it hurt. A swat like that would kill most insects, but not these Bugbots. They're made of ultralight and flexible artificial muscles that are also incredibly durable. The material can be folded or crushed without ripping, allowing the flattened robots to get off the mat and keep moving after a few seconds. Inside the Bugbots are tiny actuators that vibrate to stretch and contract the muscle tissue. This propels the robot forward and allows it to traverse all kinds of surfaces. Materials like this could one day be used in larger robots to help them better withstand wear and tear. And speaking of futuristic robots, set your sights on this one in our final destination of Tokyo. Researchers at the University of Tokyo have developed a flying robot dubbed Dragon that can shapeshift in mid-flight. It's made up of linked sections powered by duct fans and connected by hinged joints. Each section can roll and pitch independently, allowing the robot to contort itself into unusual shapes and avoid obstacles during flight. The researchers see the robot one day being used to explore dangerous environments and ferry objects between tight spaces. But like its shape-shifting nature, there is no telling what the Dragon will do next. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.